I'm going to share with you why having a blog on your website can boost your SEO, boost your sales revenue, and boost your website traffic. All right, so we're going to go to my website's blog page. So I am an aromatherapy company. I do soaps, balms, salves, gels, massage oils, all sorts of stuff. So on my blog, I write about, the benefits of balms, the benefits of salves, the benefit of inhaling essential oils, herbs and oils that help with nerve pain, best essential oils to help with weight loss, and I've got multiple pages. So if we go here, we can see that companies who blog get 97% more links in their websites. Businesses that blog get 55% more website visitors than businesses that don't. So if you think that setting up a blog on your website is difficult, or if you think that you don't have time to spend writing extensive blog posts, I'm going to show you a super easy way. So you are going to go to Google, you're going to type in Write Sonic, and you're going to sign in with your email. So once you're signed in, you're going to click Article and Blog Writer. You're going to go to Instant Article Writer, and then you're going to say, I don't know, I'll be creative. Uh, Give me herbs that are, I don't know, ruled by the planet Venus. Maybe I want to do an astrology herbal blog post. All right, and then you're going to have it generate. Now, I have a paid subscription to this site, but they do give you a free trial, and they do give you like 7 or 10 free articles that you can write. So this is generating. It's going to take a few moments, but in the meantime, I'm going to show you what else to do. So you are going to go to Canva. I like to use the YouTube thumbnail design, and then we're going to create a design. So let's type in, let's go to Elements, Venus. I guess we'll do this. And we'll put that over here. And then we're going to do ID. See images. Anything better? All right, so we're gonna set this as the background image, and then we'll do this right here. And then we're gonna we'll type in herbs. Let's see. Let's go for graphics. So we're just going to create like a fun design. This is just a prototype, and then we're going to download this. All right. So our article has finished writing. As you can see, there's lots of content. It gave me exactly what I had asked it for. So we are going to take all of this, select all, we're going to copy it. Then you're going to go to Shopify. Okay, you're going to go to your online store, or your online store. You're going to click blog posts. You're going to click add blog post, and you're going to paste that article right in there. So I don't really like this image. We're going to delete it. And we are going to take the top of this, we're going to cut that, and we're going to post it in the title. If it adds this little like coding, don't worry about that. Just delete that. All right. And then just set it to visible whenever you're ready to post it. And then go down, make sure that the blog is under what you want. So I think the default is news, but I have a section called herbs and oils. So I do that. And that's what I post to my blog. Then we're going to go to add image, and we are going to add this cover image that we created in Canva, and we are going to save that. And once you click visible, it's going to, show you what it looks like. And then you're going to go to preview and it'll show you what your blog would look like. All right. Now, if you want to add the blog section to your Shopify store, then you would go to navigation. You would go to whatever is in the heading of your store. You're going to click menu, and then you would go down. Mine's already added blog, but we're going to add menu item. We're going to type blog. All right, the name here is going to be what appears on your Shopify store. So then you're going to go to blogs, and then you would pick the blog that you want to appear. So herbs and oils. Maybe you have a website with multiple blogs. Maybe one focuses on one niche. Maybe another blog focuses on another niche. And then you would click add, and it would appear in your menu items. And that's it. That is how you can produce super high quality search engine optimized articles that will help increase traffic to your blog. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a like and subscribe. That will help boost this video in the algorithm, and help you to stay up to date on all things herbalism, aromatherapy, and growing your small business.